In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Notion using your mouse. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to your Notion workspace. You can go directly to the Notion website or open the tab you already use for your pages and databases. Once your workspace loads, make sure you're on the page you want to read or edit. That way you'll immediately see the effect of the zoom and can dial in a level that feels comfortable for your eyes and your screen. Now for the simple part that makes a big difference. Press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. While keeping Control held down, use your mouse's scroll wheel. Scroll upward to zoom in and make everything larger, or scroll downward to zoom out and see more content on the screen at once. Keep holding Control the entire time you're changing the zoom. Release the key when you're happy with the size. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. Start by holding the Control key first, then scroll. If you scroll without holding Control, your page will just move up and down instead of changing size. Use small, gentle scrolls to fine-tune the zoom level rather than big spins of the wheel. If you overshoot and things get too big or too small, simply reverse the scroll direction, still holding Control, until the content looks right again. You might notice a percentage indicator appear in your browser's toolbar or near the address bar as you zoom. That number tells you how much you've zoomed relative to the default. For many people, 110% to 125% is a comfortable reading size, while 80% to 90% can be handy for getting a wider overview of a dense Notion page. Remember, this zoom applies to the current tab in your browser and doesn't change the actual font settings inside Notion. It's also personal to you. Your collaborators won't see your zoom level on their screens. This approach works the same on any Notion page, including docs, databases, boards, and timelines. Text, images, and embedded content will scale together so the layout remains consistent and easy to navigate. If you're using a trackpad instead of a mouse, hold Control and use your two-finger scroll gesture to do the exact same thing. And that's it. Go to Notion, hold Control, and scroll to zoom in or out until everything looks just right for you. Once you've found your preferred size, you're done and ready to work more comfortably. Thanks for watching and enjoy your clearer, easier to read Notion workspace.